Here are 10 gift ideas that can help support fat burning and promote a healthier lifestyle without the need for exercise. Herbal tea sampler. Teas such as green tea, peppermint, and ginger can aid in metabolism and digestion. Meal prep containers. High-quality containers can help with portion control and easy meal prepping, leading to healthier eating habits. Nutrition tracking app subscription. A subscription to an app that helps track food intake and nutrition can encourage better eating habits. Blender or smoothie maker. A good blender can be used to create healthy smoothies packed with fruits, vegetables, and protein, making nutritious choices easier. Cookbook for healthy eating. A cookbook focused on low-calorie, nutrient-dense recipes can inspire healthier cooking and eating. Water bottle with infuser. Staying hydrated is important for metabolism. An infuser bottle allows for flavorful, fruit-infused water. Healthy snack box subscription. Monthly deliveries of healthy snacks can offer convenient and delicious alternatives to junk food. Essential oils for stress relief. Stress can hinder fat loss. A set of calming essential oils can help with relaxation and reduce stress-induced cravings. Probiotic supplements. A good quality probiotic can support gut health, which is often linked to metabolism and weight management. Food scale. A digital food scale can help with portion control, making it easier to manage calorie intake. These gifts can promote a healthier lifestyle and assist in fat loss efforts without the need for intense physical exercise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more valuable content. Take care, and bye for now.